Hello and welcome to Listen and Learn English. Today we will learn 15 useful English idioms that you should know. These idioms will make your English sound more natural and fun. So, let's get started. Break the ice meaning, to start a conversation in a friendly way. Example. He told a funny joke to break the ice at the party. Hit the nail on the head meaning, to say something exactly right. Example. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. Let the cat out of the bag meaning, to tell a secret by mistake. Example. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. A piece of cake meaning, something very easy. Example. This test was a piece of cake. Once in a blue moon meaning, very rarely. Example. I go to the cinema once in a blue moon. Under the weather meaning, feeling sick or unwell. Example. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. The ball is in your court meaning, it's your turn to make a decision. Example. I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. Spill the beans meaning, to reveal a secret. Example. He spilled the beans about the plan. Bite the bullet meaning, to do something difficult or painful. Example. I hate going to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. Cost an arm and a leg meaning, very expensive. Example. That car costs an arm and a leg. Burn the midnight oil meaning, work late into the night. Example. She burned the midnight oil to finish her homework. In hot water meaning, in trouble. Example. He was in hot water for missing class. Hit the sack meaning, go to bed. Example. I'm tired. Time to hit the sack. Pull someone's leg meaning, to joke or trick someone. Example. Are you serious? Or are you pulling my leg? On cloud nine meaning, very happy. Example. She was on cloud nine after winning the prize. Throw in the towel meaning, give up. Example. He threw in the towel after trying for years. Under your belt meaning, achieved or experienced. Example. With 3 years of work under her belt, she applied for a better job. Get your feet wet meaning, try something for the first time. Example. I got my feet wet with a small project before starting the big one. Put all your eggs in one basket meaning, rely on one thing too much. Example. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Apply to many jobs. By the book meaning, follow the rules exactly. Example. He does everything by the book. Play it by ear meaning, decide what to do as things happen. Example. We'll play it by ear if it rains. Bend over backward meaning, try very hard to help. Example. She bent over backward to please him. Drag your feet meaning, do something slowly because you don't want to. Example. He's dragging his feet on doing homework. Jump the gun meaning, act too soon. Example. Don't jump the gun. Wait for the instructions. Let sleeping dogs lie meaning, don't bring up old problems. Example. Just let sleeping dogs lie and move on. Turn over a new leaf meaning, change for the better. Example. He turned over a new leaf after the accident. Break new ground meaning, do something original or innovative. Example. The company broke new ground in AI. Learn the ropes meaning, learn how to do a job or task. Example. I'm still learning the ropes at my new job. Start from scratch meaning, begin again with nothing. Example. We lost everything and had to start from scratch. Step up your game meaning, improve your performance. Example. If you want a promotion, you need to step up your game. Let the cat out of the bag meaning reveal a secret. Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the party. Hit the nail on the head meaning do or say something exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head with your idea. Add fuel to the fire meaning make a bad situation worse. Example, his words added fuel to the fire. Out of the frying pan into the fire meaning from a bad situation to a worse one. Example, leaving that job was like jumping out of the frying pan into the fire. In hot water meaning in trouble. Example, he's in hot water for skipping class. Bite the bullet meaning do something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I hate the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. Burn bridges meaning damage relationships. Example, be careful not to burn bridges when you quit. Blow off steam meaning release anger or stress. Example, I went for a run to blow off steam. Be on edge meaning feeling nervous or tense. Example, he's been on edge before the interview. Jump for joy meaning feel extremely happy. Example, she jumped for joy when she passed. Put on a brave face meaning pretend to be happy when you are not. Example, he put on a brave face after the breakup. Lose your temper meaning get angry suddenly. Example, he lost his temper at the meeting. Keep your cool meaning stay calm. Example, she kept her cool during the fight. Which idiom did you like the most? Comment below and use one in a sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Listen and Learn English for more fun English stories and lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.